Have you ever wondered, what if your brain could learn a new language while you were fast asleep?
It sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's real. Tonight, we're going to help your mind absorb English naturally, gently, while your body rests.
So get comfortable, turn down the lights, close your eyes if you want to. You don't need to focus hard, just listen.
Welcome to Shine Like English, the podcast that helps you learn English while you sleep.
Let's begin.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome back to another peaceful night with Shine Like English.
If this is your first time here, let me explain how this works. Your brain never really stops working, even when you're asleep. Researchers say that during sleep, your mind continues to process sounds, words, and patterns it heard before falling asleep.
That's right. So tonight, we're going to have a slow, calm conversation in English. We'll repeat important words and phrases naturally, the way real people speak. You don't need to memorize anything.
Just relax. Let the words flow over you like a gentle wave. Your subconscious mind will do the rest.
Tonight's theme is something we all love, a quiet evening, simple daily life, and calm thoughts before sleep.
Perfect topic for winding down. Shall we begin?
Let's begin.
So, how was your day today?
It was a good day, actually. A little busy in the morning, but calm in the evening. I like evenings like this.
Me too. There's something peaceful about the evening. The sky turns orange, then purple, then dark blue.
Yes, and the air feels cooler. I usually sit near the window and just breathe.
That sounds relaxing. Do you drink tea in the evening?
I do. I usually drink a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed. It helps me relax.
Chamomile tea is wonderful for relaxation. I prefer warm milk with a little honey.
That sounds comforting too. Warm milk, a soft blanket, dim lights.
Exactly the feeling we want right now. Let's remember some useful words from this part.
Good idea. The word calm, it means peaceful, quiet, without stress.
Calm, a calm evening, a calm mind, a calm voice.
Another word, relax. To relax means to rest and feel comfortable.
I relax in the evening. You relax before sleep. We relax together.
And one more, comforting. Something comforting makes you feel warm and safe.
A comforting cup of tea, a comforting voice, a comforting memory.
These are simple, gentle words, perfect for a peaceful night.
Let's continue our story now.
Do you remember our walk in the park last weekend?
Of course, it was such a beautiful afternoon. The trees were green and the birds were singing.
We walked slowly along the path. There was no rush at all.
No rush. I like that phrase. It means we had plenty of time. No need to hurry.
Exactly. We stopped near the lake and watched the water for a while.
The water was so still. It looked like a mirror reflecting the sky.
Then a gentle breeze came and small waves appeared on the surface.
A gentle breeze, a soft, light wind. It felt so refreshing on our skin.
We sat on a wooden bench and talked for almost an hour.
What did we talk about again?
We talked about our favorite books, our childhood memories, and our future plans.
That's right. It was a simple conversation, but it felt very meaningful.
Sometimes the simplest moments are the most memorable.
Beautifully said. Let's slow down and repeat some phrases from this walk.
No rush. We say, take your time. There's no rush.
A gentle breeze. The gentle breeze touched my face.
Meaningful conversation. We had a meaningful conversation about life.
Childhood memories. I love thinking about my childhood memories.
Notice how naturally these words fit together? English flows like music when you listen calmly.
Yes, just let the rhythm carry you. There's no need to understand every single word right now.
What's your favorite meal to cook at home?
I really enjoy cooking pasta. It's simple, but if you add fresh herbs and good olive oil, it tastes amazing.
That sounds delicious. I love making soup, especially on a cold evening.
Soup is perfect for cold weather. What kind of soup do you usually make?
Vegetable soup, mostly. I chop carrots, onions, and potatoes, then let it simmer slowly on the stove.
Simmer. That means to cook gently over low heat, not boiling too fast.
Exactly. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes and the kitchen fills with a warm, cozy smell.
I love that smell. It makes the whole house feel warm and welcoming.
Cozy is such a nice word too. It means warm, comfortable, and pleasant.
A cozy home, a cozy blanket, a cozy little cafe.
After cooking, we usually sit at the table and eat slowly, talking about our day.
No phones, no distractions, just good food and good conversation.
That's the best part of the evening, isn't it?
It really is. Let's repeat a few phrases once more, slowly.
Let it simmer slowly.
The kitchen smells warm and cozy.
We talked about our day.
No distractions, just good conversation.
Perfect. Your mind is absorbing these patterns even now, gently and naturally.
It's getting late now. I think it's almost time to sleep.
Yes, I can feel it too. My eyes are getting heavy.
Heavy eyes. That's when you feel very sleepy and it's hard to keep your eyes open.
I usually turn off the bright lights and light a small candle instead.
A soft, warm light is much better before sleep than a bright white light.
Then I like to write a few lines in my journal, just simple thoughts about the day.
That's a lovely habit. Writing helps clear your mind before rest.
After that, I lie down, pull the blanket over me, and take a few deep breaths.
Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly.
In and out.
With every breath, your body becomes more relaxed.
With every word you hear, your mind absorbs a little more English.
There is nothing to do right now, nothing to remember, just rest.
Let your thoughts become slower, quieter, softer.
Good night is a simple phrase, but it holds so much warmth.
Good night, sleep well, sweet dreams.
Good night, sleep well, sweet dreams.
As we come to the end of tonight's episode, remember, learning a language is not a race.
It's a slow, gentle journey, just like the one we shared tonight.
Every night you listen, your brain quietly learns a little more English even while you sleep.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Shine Like English for more relaxing lessons every night.
You can also turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode before bedtime.
We'll be here again tomorrow night with another calm story and gentle conversation.
Until then, relax,
Breathe.
breathe, and sleep well.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. This has been Shine Like English.